I bought a brand new air compressor and brand new airbags. Everything worked perfectly for about 2 months. After that, everything was still working, but the truck was not going up at all. The airbags were still flat. It was a little bit confusing. My airbags were brand new, my compressor was new and was turning on and working perfectly. The issue was, it was a cheap compressor. I bought one of the best ones and everything works perfectly now.
So you hear the compressor going right now? Nothing's airing up, you see it? At all. So, match check there has to be something wrong with this. If it's working, look at this. Flat. See it?
This is very simple. Please do not get confused. This air compressor only has one air line that hooks up to the truck and one air line that hooks up from the truck to the compressor. Well, you see the yellow line right here? That's a passenger side air line that hooks up to the compressor. Take that little red cap off and clip on the air line right here. Now, we're gonna grab this air line right here, plug it into the driver's side airbag. Now, this is your electrical plug. You have 3 bolts, one's right here, and the other 2 are right here. The small circle pin at the bottom of the picture goes to the airline in the red cap. This black wire with the little black box in the green goes hooked up right on top of the compressor right next to the gas line. So here goes the electrical plug-in. Here goes the line that hooks up to the driver's side airbag, which is right here, you see it? Take off that little pin and pull the airline out, just like this. Okay, this is your electrical plug-in right here. Go ahead and unclip that. Now, you remember that black line that I told you that clips on top of the compressor? Is this one here. You just unclip it and it comes right off, just like this. This is located right on top of the compressor, right next to the gas line. You have 3 bolts, one here. This is the second one here, and the third one is located right back here in the back. Let me show you. Right here, let me show you. Right here. But you gotta get through it through the other side, which is up here. You see a hole right there? Let me show you. This airline here is the passenger side airbag that's hooked up to the compressor. Just want to make myself clear. You see this airline here I'm about to circle? That's the passenger side airline, and that hooks up straight to your compressor. Let me draw a box. This is your compressor right here. Then your compressor has a line that shoots out to the driver's side airbag. Just want to make sure y'all get this clear. So this is the airline that hooks up to your driver's side airbag. The passenger side airbag, you will plug it in right here. Let me show you. You go straight right here, and then you put this clip on there right here, you see it? Or the new one they gave you, whatever you want to do. Clip it right in there, just like this. And then your electrical wire, you put your 3 bolts on, that's it. See how tall that is now? It just went up. Look, watch this. There we go. Look at that. Worked perfect now.